SQL Interview Question and Answer. Question number 29. How do you check duplicate records present in a dataset using SQL? This question is asking about, suppose you have given a dataset table, how can you identify whether this table contains duplicated records or not? We are talking here mainly Oracle SQL. We can identify a table having duplicate records by using following two methods. There may be a number of ways to identify duplicate records present in a table, but I am going to explain here frequently used following two methods. First one is using count function with group by statement, and second one is using common table expression, which is also called temporary result set, and row number window function. Let me go through a step-by-step process. Suppose I have given here one table. Its name is account info 2. First of all, let me check how many records it has and how many columns it has. I use here select star from account info 2. Then it displays the result as shown below. It has only 6 records and 3 columns. This is a simplest table. From this table, we can easily identify number of duplicated records by observation. But in real life scenario, we have to work a table containing millions and millions records. That's why we cannot observe. By observation, we cannot identify number of duplicated records. To identify duplicated records, we can use following methods. First one, using count function with group by statement. I have started here select account number, name, account type. After that, we can use here count star or count row ID. Row ID gives the physical location for each record, which are completely different with each other. As a row number or row count from account info 2, group by account number, name, account type. After that, I am using here having count star greater than 1. Having clause is used because count function is already used in select statement. From this code, I am going to display all the records having count more than 1. That means containing duplicated records. After running this code, it will display result as shown below. It has 4 columns and 2 rows. These 2 rows have number count more than 1. That means those records contains duplicated records. We have a conclusion here. Above 2 records having a number count more than 1 represent that these records are repeated by how many times. Here first record it has repeated 3 times, and second record it has repeated 2 times. Second method, that is using common table expression, which is also called temporary result set, and row number function. Common table expression, it starts with clause with CTE dupcheck, as inside the parenthesis we provide here select a dot star, where a is alias name for this account info 2 table, comma, row number over partition by account number. Its name is a row number or R number from account info 2, parenthesis close. Then we can identify or we can extract the data having row number greater than 1 by using this temporary result set or common table expression CTE underscore dupcheck. Select star from CTE underscore dupcheck where R number greater than 1. That means it will display all the records having a row number greater than 1. After running this code, we will obtain the result as shown below. This result contains 3 rows and 4 columns. Where account number ending 9456, it has 2 row number 2 and 3, and account number ending 4590, it has 1 row number, that is 2. That means these records are extra record. Conclusion: above result indicates all the records having R number greater than 1 are duplicated records. That means these are extra records. Let me run this code in our Oracle developer window and observe the result. This is Oracle developer window where I am going to run those code which I explained before. First one is using count function with group by statement. Let me start with select account number, name, account type, count row ID as number count from account info to group by account number, name, account type, having clause count star greater than 1. When we run this code, it displays all the records having count more than 1. Let me run this code and observe the result. We have 2 records having count more than 1. That means these records contains duplicated records. Let me use here star in place of row ID and observe the result. It will give same result. Count star as number count. Let me run this code. We will get exactly same result. That's why either we can use count star or we can use count row ID. Next method is using common table expression, that means temporary result set and row number function. First of all, let me create here temporary result set. We can use with clause with CTE dupcheck common table expression, as inside the parentheses we provide select account number, name, account type, row number over partition by account number, order by account number, which is named as R number from account info to. After then we apply here common table expression to extract the data having row number greater than 1. That's why we use select star from CTE dupcheck where R number greater than 1. Let me run this code and observe the result. This is our result window. It shows here account number ending 9456. It has 2 row number 2 and 3. Similarly, account number ending 45990, it has row number only 1 row number, that is the 2. That means these records are extra record. That means these records are more than R number 1. Let me use here slightly different alias name here. Suppose this table is alias name A. I can use here A dot star. It can also work. And we provide here comma. Let me run this code and again observe the result. It displays the same result. That's why either we can use alias name and alias name dot star, or we can provide all column name. In this way we can identify duplicate records present in a given dataset or in a given table in SQL. That's all about question number 29. Thank you.